Alright guys, a little cold start video for you guys today. Let's check it out. Not very loud, as you can see. A little bit of rattling action with the tips. Look side. Found my stack of change. Yeah guys, we're gonna go over to like a small street to do like some drive-bys, some fly-bys, so you guys can hear the truck. Quite honestly, you're gonna hear the transmission mostly because that thing loves to whine. Yeah, let's head on over to the secret spot. Alright guys, so that was a quick little exhaust video. I went through the footage and apparently it like sounds supercharged. You're still in the shop, bro. And yeah, I was going through and it sounds like it's got a blower on it, but that's just my transmission, you know. It's like kind of messed up, but it still works. And I mean, you can kind of hear the exhaust. It's mostly transmission though, so once we put the headers on, we'll hope that you can somehow hear it at least a little bit. And Amin is back.
I don't want to be in the shot.
Well, you are now. It's not a shot. It's just like a video, whatever. And yeah, now we're gonna take some photos at this interesting location we found. Kind of tempted on doing donuts right there, but this is Irvine, and Irvine PD is. I just don't want to deal with them. So I think we're better off not doing that. Yeah, the truck looks gorgeous right here. You can't even tell that it's dirty. I love my RST, guys. I hope you guys do too. And that was about it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to be doing another one of these after the motor swap goes on. We're actually going to go out there later on today to start getting the motor off. And yeah, so this video you guys will maybe see in a couple days. Yeah, well, whatever. I'll see you guys soon anyways. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. I'll see you guys next time. I lied, I'm back. So like, did you guys ever like drive by these like things that have like the reflections and you're just like, dang, like whose truck is that? And then you're like, oh man, who's that ugly dude driving it, bro? Oh man, I almost crash every time I drive by one of these. It's like I want to see how like flexy my truck looks. Pretty good, I'd say, pretty good. Oh man, I love this thing. I love the stance on it. More shot locations. Yeah. I'm actually gone this time, probably. Say bye, Amin. Bye. Our favorite person.